Yep, another big one.
I gotcha, I gotcha. Get him, Chris.
Hang on.
I don't know, he just lost weight. There he went, there he is.
He ain't lose. Think about lost my dick. Oh, wow. Keeper for shizzle.
Red snapper. Red snapper. Yeah, buddy. Get him in here. Woo! We got the red snapper.
Go swimming.
Woo! We got the red snapper.
No.
Damn.
I'm gonna make you want to fish.
What do we have here? Fishing in 125 foot of water today. Catching some monsters. Oh, he's close,
Yeah,
but he's gonna be an 18, I think.
19 and a quarter. I'm telling you, it's the fight. Head shakes, runs.
I see him coming up. You got about 40 feet to go.
You're right there. I got color.
Yeah, 40 feet down, you got color. It's another grouper. Dang.
I'll be flipping these.
Bassing it. We call that bassing it.
Fast. Even this fighting is weird for a grouper.
He's trying to give you your bait back.
Oh, damn.
Oh, look at that crab he just spit up. That's a big crab.
Stone crab.
They're down there eating crabs.
Big stone crab.
Let's see if he's big enough.
Yeah. That was a pretty stone crab.
That's
too.
crazy.
Whew, stinking.
Yeah, it does.
Stinking like guts. Oh, he's short. He's short.
Barely, huh?
He's short. Oh, you found that hook, my nigga. Damn, I've been trying to give it to you. Been trying to give him that hook. Head thrusting, shaking out. Look, big porky.
I hope it's another
Big
American
porky.
red. I hope it's another American red.
He's fucking head thrashing like crazy.
That's what that 27-incher did. All the way up. It won't stop.
This fisherman might just be getting tired. I
That's a
don't know.
big grouper.
Another keeper, son.
Another keeper grouper. Bassing it.
Bass.
Gotcha.
Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. I'm trying. I'm saying. That was one. This bait. We got the same bait. See if we get another one. It's the crap mullet they're liking.
Yep.
Grouper coming alive for that. Oh, who knows? We throw that. Look at that. Take a picture of that. That's what you get a picture of. Look at that. So you got it on your thing for the. Don't take. Hang on.
What? Ain't got no coordinates on it.
Yeah, that's right. I was looking though first.
Oh yeah, it ain't got none on it. I blur it out if it does. Bottom is lit up.
Lit. Got him. Yeah, you have some sideways off the bottom too.
He's still going down there.
I ain't going down nowhere. You got a hook on the lip. You got your cord on?
Yep. Oh, he's heavy. This is gonna be a mother.
Tampa Bay Fishing Adventures is on fire, man. I can't. This is the best trip I've ever been on. Thanks, Robert.
You're welcome.
Oh my God, dude.
Look how he's pulling. If this is a grouper, this is gonna be a war saw. You better get ready with the gaff then.
Tell me when you see color.
It's gonna be a while. Watch out for your line though, because he's swimming that way. Look at him pulling. He broke it.
Got him! Got him!
No.
He just broke it.
What?
He just broke it.
Get the fuck, dude. It's that guy.
Well, it might be.
Dude, I'm getting my god money back for that too. Look at
Yep.
it. It is. It is.
Yep.
That's shit, man.
That was a big fish too.
Oh, damn. Hello.
They don't play.
He said, I got 125 foot to whoop your.
Yep. You're up to about 40.
Oh, and he just got strength all of a sudden again. Good land. What in the hell?
He said, I'm back.
Dude, it can't be a grouper because they don't do that.
That's what mine did. He fought like hell all the way up.
No way. It is. It's a big one. Big grouper. Come over here.
Yeah, buddy.
Got him!
Yep.
That's
Yep.
my grouper.
Yep. Hey.
Check it out. That's my grouper. Check it out. When you have good line, this is what happens.
Get back! Yeah, I made this rig. Thanks. God damn, that same grouper. I'm cramping too.
How the same grouper hit twice. That's the one that you broke.
Let me have my thumb.
That's the one you broke. You used the head. I didn't. That's yours.
Yep.
I didn't use a head.
I came back for you.
I'm surprised he ate again.
We're hungry here, baby. All right, we need reds. Reds and snapper. We're limited on grouper.
Yeah. Way to go, Chris.
24-ish.
24. Woo!
It's right there on the top.
Hey, Chris, what's in the box?
We're gonna find out. We want the best of the best or the worst of the worst.
We'll start with the worst.
We start with the worst.
Yeah, if you can get to them.
Oh, we want to show. Is bait the worst or is mackerel the worst? I don't even know at this point. You know what I'm saying? But here's a bonita. That's pretty, right? He's super pretty. That's an awesome fish.
Caught them
Like
trolling.
that.
Trolling some lures
Got
behind
two
the
of
boat.
them.
Is
Trolling.
that good?
Yeah.
Are they good to eat? I don't know.
Great
what they
bait. Great bait.
are. Oh,
So we're gonna
Yeah.
freeze that one. We used another one for bait,
Very nice.
and we got that one. Nice big mackerel,
Yep.
Yeah.
Spanish mackerel. Nice red grouper. We got our limit on those. I pull up another one.
Is that a grouper?
Yeah,
A red
another red
grouper.
grouper. And let's switch it up. Nope, another red grouper. And then
Those
we
are
got
big,
this
too.
thing here. What is this?
Another red grouper.
Another red grouper. And then we got a few of these porgies.
No, that's not what I called the first time. I called it a
Bam,
sheep's head or something.
They're
bam.
similar.
Are those good?
But these are real white, clean
Real white
meat.
meat.
Real
That's
good.
to eat? Okay.
Yeah.
Real good eating.
They don't throw them down like that.
Bam. This one, Robert caught. See how small he is? And that's-
Got him!
Robert's Lone Lane.
Lane snapper. First fish in the box, except for the
Lane
bonita.
snapper, that's what you
Nice
need.
mangrove snapper.
Very nice.
Really good eating too.
Another
Yeah,
beast porgy.
That was done.
And then what we set out today for is this American red snapper. That's a big American red snapper. Beautiful and most delicious.
And most of them.
You're gonna love
Sure.
it.
That,
You're gonna say keep
haven't-
going
that's-
out for
that's
those.
cream.
We haven't eaten that yet?
No.
new. That's cream of the crop right there. Look at that.
Boom.